Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the concept of peak-to-peak methods in artificial intelligence. Before understanding peak-to-peak method, first you need to remember the search algorithm, hill climbing. What is the hill climbing algorithm? It's a very simple. Hill climbing is a local search algorithm that continuously moves in the direction of increasing value. Whenever we are reaching one maximum value, we stop the searching process. Here this maximum value is called peak, or also called as local maximum, or depend on the situation it is called local minimum. Now you remember the point. Hill climbing, simply the search proceeds toward improving the solution. Step by step we are improve the solution until you reach a peak value. Here what is the problem? Observe, this is the graph. I am moving in this direction. Suppose here I reached the peak value. My assumption is this is the best solution, so I stopped the process. So here this is called local maximum, or this is called peak. But here the problem in hill climbing is, suppose if you move downfall and move somewhere, you may reach the maximum solution. Compared to this peak, you have more better solution is available. You got the point? This is the problem of hill climbing. Simply we are stuck at local optima, or we are stuck at plateaus, or we are stuck at ridges. We know all the meanings of each and everything in the hill climbing. Now what is the one solution? One solution is simply you need to escape the local optima. If you are stay at the local optima means you assume that that is a better solution. So you need to move from one peak to another peak. So with the hope of I am getting the maximum optimal solution, that is a global optimum. Now you got the point. Peak to peak means one peak to another peak. Clear? Here, what is the meaning of peak? Simply the peak is a local optima. Peak is called a local optima. You have one more term is there, global peak. What is the meaning of global peak? The maximum possible solution, that is the best solution, is called global peak. Now what is the final peak to peak method? It moves from one peak to another peak. So these are the different peaks. Now what are the different methods that peak to peak is applied? You already know hill climbing method. Now the how to apply the concept of peak to hill climbing? Random restart. Random restart means generally in hill climbing we are starting at one initial position, and whenever a local optima occurs we are stopping. But here we are running the hill climbing multiple number of times, and each time we are taking a different initial state. Suppose in the first iteration this is the initial state, suppose in the second iteration this is the initial state, in the third iteration this is the initial state. That means each and every iteration take different initial states. If you are moving from different initial state, you may get different local optimas. You may get different local optimas. That means instead of a single local optimum, we are getting multiple local optimas. Why? Here I am running multiple number of times. Now, among all the local optimas, we are selecting the best one, and that best becomes the global solution. This is the one way of applying peak to hill climbing. And second searching is simulated annealing. This is also the search algorithm. Here this algorithm mainly based on the concept of annealing. So it is completely related to probability. It is related to probability. Suppose, unlike pure hill climbing, that means pure hill climbing always accepts the best solution. Suppose while moving, if there is no best solution, but remember in the future you may get the best solution, but right now it is not the best, we stop. But the simulated annealing sometimes accepts the worst solution also. based on some probability. You got the point? Even though right now you are not getting the best solution, but it accepts some worst solution, and then maybe in some time in the future you may get the best solution. That means it helps to search, escape the local minimum and explore globally. So this is another simulating. Here the main thing is accepting the worst solution based on the probability. Now, taboo search. Think you already know all the searching algorithms. So the taboo search almost hill climbing, but it maintains a taboo list. What is mean by taboo list? Simply a short-term memory. So the taboo list maintains what are the states that are already visited, what are the moves that are already marked. So all the visited states are stored inside the memory. What is the reason? If a state is placed inside the memory, no need to visit the state once again. That is, it prevents cycling back. Always explores new regions. Always explore new region. And already if a state is visited and it is placed in the taboo list, if you find a better solution, no problem. Simply override the taboo list. So that means it also avoids local optimum. Why? Whenever a better solution applied, update the taboo list. Now, variable neighborhood descendant algorithm. It is simply change the definition of the neighborhood whenever I am stuck at n1 position. Suppose if the better solution is available, then only it is possible to move. Assume there is no better solution. That means I stuck here. Instead of stucking here, simply change the neighborhood definition. Whenever you are changing the neighborhood definition, we can move. Now you got it? These are the different peak to peak methods. Now, the most important thing, by using this peer to peer method, there is no guarantee of optimal solution. But there is no guarantee, but definitely it can improve the performance. But there is no guarantee, but it can improve the performance compared to the regular searching methods. Generally, these peak to peak methods are available in optimization problems like our regular problems, N-Queen problem, scheduling problem, traveling salesperson. In all those situations, you are using this. Now, for simple understanding, again I will explain. For example, you are climbing a mountain. Okay, what is the hill climbing approach? While climbing the mountain, whenever you reach a peak, you stop. Whenever you reach a peak, we are stopping our search, even though the peak is small. Now, what is the peak to peak method? So, once I reach the peak, again I am moving some downhill, or you need to restart with initial solution to discover a taller mountain. You got the point? That is the main concept of peak to peak. Now, if you draw a graph between the solution space, what is the solution space? Set of all possible solutions between the quality. This is the graph. Now, see, this is solid line. It represents the solution space landscape. Now, here one blue curve is there. Observe, this is the blue curve. What the blue curve? This blue curve defines the solution space versus the quality. Here I have some red dots. I have some red dots. So assume these red dots are the local optimum. For example, this green star is the global optimum. That means, for example, right now I am at this position. I assume that this is the local optimum. That means this is the best solution. But here what happened? Again, I moved downwards and then upward. I am getting some global solution. I am getting some global solution. What happened? Whenever I am at this position, simply I am doing some restart operation. Suppose this is the random restart related to hill climbing based on the probability. This is a simulated annealing. Suppose this is the taboo search. That means whatever the algorithm we discussed, what happens when the draw a graph between the quality and solution space. These are the peak to peak methods. Now, where you are using in optimization like traveling salesperson scheduling, in constraint satisfaction like NQ's problem, Sudokus. In machine learning also we are using like weight optimization. Okay, clear? In short, peak to peak is a local search method that help move from one local optimum to another local optimum to get a better chance of finding the global optimal solution. You got the point? This is the concept of peak to peak method. Thank you.